So good day everyone, good day sir. This is my video presentation for our final examination. So we are tasked to do a video presentation solving this problem. For the first part, let me read the problem first. You are a network engineer tasked with designing a small office network that connects three departments: HR, IT, and sale. Each department has two computers, one is wired and one is wireless, and one printer that needs access to wireless server and printer. You must also create a separate wireless network with three mobile phones connected to a router to act as a free Wi-Fi for the customer's lounge. The password of all the routers must be 123456789 or 129. After reading this problem, let's take a look on how I solve this problem. And in order to show you guys in a simpler way, let's break down the process of how I solve this problem. So so this is how I solved the problem. So the first thing I did was this part. You must also create a separate wireless network with three mobile phones connected to a router to act as a free Wi-Fi for the customer's lounge. So since this one is a separate router, so I did this first. So I made a separate router with three mobile phones s- with three mobile phones that are connected to a router. So this part is how I fix or how I solve this statement that I created a separate wireless with three smartphones that will act as a free Wi-Fi for the customer's lounge. So this part is solved, and then I proceed on making on focusing about this part on designing as an office network that connects to three departments. So the second thing I did was to create wired and wireless PCs. So so these are the PC. This part is where the wired PC are located, and this part was for the wireless PCs. So this PC is for IT, one wired for IT, and one wireless for IT department. As stated here in the problem, I must create a PC and a PC for IT department, one wired and one wireless. So I created one wired PC, one wired IT PC, and one wireless PC. And then I did the same thing for HC and sales department. I created a wired PC for the HC department and IHR department, and wireless PC for the HR department, and also for the sales I made a um wired PC for the sales and a wireless PC for the sales. So so if you might ask how I made this, how I turned this PC into wireless, now I just turn this off and then remove this and then add this thing. So that's how I made it a wireless. So so this part is fixed or solved. And then we our next problem is we must create one printer that needs an access to wireless server and printer. So here is the printer. One printer needs access to wireless. So here's the printer. It has an access to a wireless server. This is the printer, and it has an access to a wireless server, and also it can access the wired printers. So to show it that it has access, so let us test this one. Click, click. So as we can see, um, it is successful. So this part is also fixed. So our last problem is to add a password. The password must be 1 to 9. So each router, I made a password for each router just like what is being instructed. So here the password is 123456789 for the wireless router, for the separate router. Then in this one, so also the password here is 1 to 9. So by doing this, I solved the given problem. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.